Saturday morning, Crystal Beach boat ramp. Supposed to be the Niagara Outdoor Open. Probably the easiest tournament call you could ever make. These winds were forecasted all week. They're going to go on right through till next week. Lake Erie is an absolute mess, but there's lots of steelhead. Just hit the tribs. FishingNiagara.com. Check it out. Updated reports, conditions. Giant waves today. Gusts over 50 miles an hour. Do a quick spin around the parking lot. Watch for the Crystal Beach Cup next year. 50 boats. It's going to be big money, big bass. It's just going to be big. Crystal Beach Cup. Get ready. FishingNiagara.com. Check it out. All the reports. In the eye of the storm right now. Good luck. Go fishing.